Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix actions recommended warning in Windows Defender Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, click Protection Updates. Click Check for updates. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security, click Firewall and Network Protection. Click Advanced Settings. Click Action, click Refresh. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.